Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's tutorial is going to be on this fun bandana top. If you like to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned for the tutorial. Okay, on the screen I have a template of a bralette, so you can follow along with me as I cut the fabric, in this case the bandana. For the smaller pieces like the straps and the band of the bralette, I'm going to use a safety pin to help me turn it inside out or outside in, or whatever the correct terminology for that is. Thumbs up and a subscribe, don't you think? My stitching is not the neatest, but the cup to the bag is definitely secure. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. There it is, done. And now I'm going to go ahead and attach the straps to the bralette. of this bralette, so I went ahead and added a different cup option, and I think it's more suitable and comfortable for a bigger chest area. So if you have bigger boobs, I think this would be more comfortable of an option for your cup area than the previous one shown before. Pretty much at the end. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. I hope that it sparked your creativity and has inspired you to want to create some of your own unique designs. Get to crafting, let nothing hold you back, express yourself and have fun. I had a lot of fun creating this tutorial for you guys. I hope that you like, subscribe and share the video. I look forward to creating more tutorials for you. Bye!